Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn how to create a PostgreSQL database in the Docker. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Pull the PostgreSQL Docker image first. So let's run this command to the terminal. So currently I need to close this. So first of all I need to search this container. The port number is to be 4000. Let me close this, and this container ID is ESD7, I think. So let me stop this. Sudo docker stop. I think container ID names is there like D74, right? So let's stop this. I think docker spelling is wrong, so let me add DOC. Okay, let me do this. So it will stop this docker. Currently here you can see it's running. Now when I run this command, it automatically stop over here. Now you can see it stopped, right? So let's go back. It's not a requirement. Let's go to this one. So first of all, docker pull the postgres latest image. So let's pull this one image. So make it sudo request. Okay, let's enter. Your password is wrong. Let's enter and see, it is pulling the latest postgres. Okay, everything is done. Download the newer image. Okay, moving to the next step, run a PostgreSQL container. To run this we have to run this command. So make sure, let's understand this command. Docker run name hyphen name my postgres container. Okay, e postgres password. So here you need to add our password. Okay, so name my postgres container assigns a name to the container. You have choose any of the name, so you can choose any of the name. Postgres password, your password sets the PostgreSQL password super user password. So I need to set the password over here. So I think we will add the password. Okay, and then e postgres db. So here I'm going to add the db, that is test db. Okay, and after this p, this is the map porting inside the container, and d runs the command in the background. Let's try to run this command. Okay, so here sudo run this command, enter. Error response from the daemon driver field programming external creative at the end of my postgres container. 543 port bind already in use, because this port is already in use of my PostgreSQL in my local machine, right? Because already I have the Postgres. Let's change this port and bind with another. So here we have the port of this one, so I'm going to make it something like 30. Okay, so let's run this one. So let's, the name of my Postgres is already in use by the container. This, you have to remove that container or to able to use that name with this one. Okay, let's change the name. My Postgres container, my Postgres db. Okay, so let's copy and run this. Okay, so it is done. You will get this one, right? So what would be the next step? Next step will be this command will start the PostgreSQL container with the specified configurations, right? Now assess the PostgreSQL. Now you can assess the PostgreSQL database using the PostgreSQL client or the command line tools. Let's add this one, execute command. Okay, So I will add sudo execute my Postgres container, not its Postgres, its container, it's DB, right? So added DB over here. So the user is Postgres and your database is test DB. Okay. So let's copy this and paste this over here. So let's add this. So you can see I'm successfully logged in with the test DB, right? So now replace your database with the actual name of it. It will be prompted to enter your the specified password earlier. Then create the tables right now. So I'm going to create this table and check. Create the simple table, copy, and let's add this table created. Create table. That means table has been created. Okay. So this is done. Remember that the PostgreSQL container will be persist the data as long as the container is running. If you want the data to persist even after stopping the container, consider using Docker volumes or other persistence mechanisms. Okay, so here you can see that we have successfully set up the PostgreSQL. One thing I want to come to know about this one to check the DBs and all. So let's check show DBs command is running. I think show databases would be working. Bases, database. So I think test DB show tables will work. Show tables. Let me check this. I think then we will check that whatever the table we have created, it's working or not. Give me a second. I think the command is this one. Let me add this GT. So here you can see that we have successfully create the users table. Here you can see we have see the relationship we have already added. That means we have successfully set up the Docker with the PostgreSQL. And now we are going to use this and the Node.js project, right? To create the tables, to check the connectivity with the Node.js, right? In the next part, you can see that whenever I have set up this one, that means there should be a connectivity with the Node.js, so that we come to know that this is working full on with that one because we have to use as a backend. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.